Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about public, private, and multinational companies. Chapter number 3. So you should know about what is the difference between the public sector and also the private sector. In the previous chapter we have already studied about the private sector, that is the private sector enterprise. The private sector consists of business owned by the individual or a group of individual. The various forms of organizations are sole proprietor, partnership, joint family, cooperative and company. So we have already studied about that the private sector consists of basically the individuals or a group of individuals who are running the business. In that we have studied about the sole proprietorship, we have studied about the partnership, then joint Hindu family business, cooperative and the company form of business, the details of which we have already studied. Private sector enterprise, a very good example is the Reliance Industries and the Wipro, which are run by the very big business houses. Now in this chapter we will study details about the public sector enterprise. So the public sector consists of various organizations owned and managed by the central or state or by both government. If an organization is owned and managed by the center or the states or both the government in the combined form, then that is called the public sector enterprise. They supply goods and services at reasonable price and are operated on more or less half supporting basis. So the basic benefit of this is that they supply the goods and services at a very reasonable price, at a very less price they supply to the public, because government company or public sector is basically for the benefit of the people, welfare of the people. Private sector is opened with the profit motive, while the public sector is opened with the welfare motive. So the main objective of the government or the public sector enterprise is for the welfare of the people, and they focus on the economic development in the competitive and liberalized world. Public sector basically focuses towards the economic development in the competitive and liberalized world. Public sector are accountable to public through the parliament. Public funds are used by them for their activities. So all the public sector enterprises are basically opened and they are responsible through the parliament, and public funds are used to run these public sector companies. Now what are the features of the public sector enterprise? Capital is contributed by the center or the state or by the both, which is basically the money of the public. Public welfare or service is the main objective of the public sector enterprise. Management and control are in the hands of the government. The company is controlled and managed by the government, and it is accountable to the public. So public sector enterprises are basically accountable to the public. There are basically three forms of public enterprise: departmental undertaking, statutory corporation and government companies, the details of which we will study in the next video. Thank you.